How to order Emma mattress online. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to your Google application and then search for Emma mattress over here on the search bar. As you do that, you'll be able to see Emma mattress from the different regions available. I'm going to select on the very first one, that's for Canada. Now as you do that, you can tap on the website they have over here. So this is the official website over here for the Emma mattress on Canada. What you can simply do over here is tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen and then tap on the mattresses categories. So here you have three categories over here: Emma Hybrid Premium Plus, Emma and then Emma Hybrid Comfort and Emma Original Mattress. Select any of the options over here and you'll be able to see the size and the quantity that you can select and customize according to your need. So you can just mention the size and quantity, and here you can see what it offers to you as a customer. You can see the ratings over here as well. Next, in order to order, what you can simply do is tap on Add to Cart. As you tap on Add to Cart, it will lead us to a new page where you can see your cart and your document over here. So just tap on the cart over here on the View Cart option. And as you do that, here you'll be able to see all your total cost that it has taken and the shipping charge and everything. Now, if you want to order it, you just have a tap on Checkout. And for that, you just need to agree on the terms and condition and then tap on Checkout. And as you tap on Checkout, what you need to simply do is you just have to mention your contact address, your delivery shipping address over here, your payment methods, and then your phone number and so on. And then tap on Complete Payment and your order will be done for Emma Mattress online. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.